Guys, I've started a new video. You can really see these storm. Actually, maybe I should. The sky's turning golden like a fire. Yeah, that's gonna be pretty intense, I'm sure. We're still waiting on the outflow. That is a beautiful storm, though. Let's just take a look at that. I'm gonna take a photo real quick. That wasn't a very good photo. Oh god, the winds are picking up. It's time to get inside. It's only a breeze right now, but it's about to get really strong. Alright, come on. Let's do it! Let's do it, guys. Let's do it! There's some thunder. Oh god. Here it goes. But it's all over there. It's not over here. We're still under the warning, aren't we? Yeah, we are. And plus, who knows, maybe another mini bow echo could form. Dude, it's literally a beautiful sunset. What is about to happen? I think this is it. This is definitely not 70 miles an hour though. Oh god, it might get there though. Okay. What is with my radio? Oh god. Oh my god. Oh. Oh god, here it is. I'm gonna have to take down this radio. It's gonna fall down. There's leaves blowing around. This is the outflow right here. There's leaves blowing around. We're still under that warning. So even if we don't get a lot of lightning, or even if we don't get any lightning, we're still going to get those damaging winds. And it's actually, oh shoot, it's actually not even, I don't think the bulk of it is here yet. So 70, man. here. That still wasn't 70 though. But there's like a mini bow echo to our north. Goodness gracious. That was not 70 though. Those were not 70 mile an hour winds. Looks like we're supposed to get there. Maybe it's just making its way. There's no danger here. Yeah, those were not 70 mile an hour windows. Those were probably like 50 to 60 mile an hour windows. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Saturday night, southwest wind 5 to 10 knots, becoming west after midnight. Waves around 2 feet until midnight, then 1 foot or less. Wave detail, south 1 foot at 4 seconds. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Sunday, only it was a little more southeast. 5 knots, becoming southeast in the afternoon. Waves 1 foot or less, then 1 to 2 feet in the afternoon. It shows it like right over my area. 1 foot at 4 seconds, becoming southeast 1 foot at 4 seconds. Here comes another bad gust. Imagine if we actually had 80 mile an hour gusts. Oh god. New severe thunderstorm. The generator's on. Did we just lose power? I think we just lost power. That's where I live, southeastern Bucks. 20? That was 60 miles an hour. I mean, that was pretty cool. Yeah. Hold on. I think we just lost power. Did we lose power? Alright guys, we lost power. Yeah. We lost power. The generator's on. We lost power. We lost power. That's weird because when's the last time we lost power in a storm? Wasn't that like back in
Did that even happen this year?
Then isolated showers and thunderstorms until midnight. Independent day, northwest winds around 5 knots, becoming southwest in the afternoon. Waves
I remember
wave detail, southeast 1
we
foot at 4 seconds.
we had on June 19th or something,
A slight chance of showers.
like the power kept going in and out. This time we lost power.
Saturday night, southwest wind 5 to 10 knots, becoming west after midnight. Waves around 2 feet until midnight.
I don't know what happened, man.
Wave detail, south 1 foot at 4 seconds. A chance of showers and thunderstorms.
This time we legit lost power.
Becoming southeast in the afternoon. Waves 1 foot to
Let me
west,
look.
then 1 to 2 feet in the afternoon. Wave detail, south 1 foot at 4 seconds. Becoming southeast 1 foot at 4 seconds. A chance of showers.
Oh, that severe thunderstorm warning in Philadelphia is literally like a pulse thunderstorm. It's literally a pulse thunder. And how is that thing even severe? Are you kidding me? It's so tiny.
Wave detail, southeast 2 feet at 3 seconds. A chance of showers
That's
and thunderstorms.
nuts.
Monday, southeast winds 5 to 10
And it's Mount Holly is in that severe thunderstorm warning. That is, that's just weird. Like, how is a storm so small severe?
1 foot at 4 seconds. Becoming southeast 2 feet at 4 seconds. A chance of showers. A chance of thunderstorms in the
Oh my god, there's more damaging winds here. We're not even like in the storm yet.
Tuesday night, east wind 5 to 10 knots. Waves around 2 feet. A chance of thunderstorms until midnight. A chance of showers. Wednesday, northeast wind 5 to 10 knots, becoming east in the afternoon. Waves around 2
So
feet.
we actually lost power.
Wednesday night.
I don't know when the last time we lost power was.
Waves around 2 feet until midnight. Winds and seas
For some reason there's a severe, like this, there's a pulse thunderstorm here.
For the entire coastal waters of
That's
New Jersey,
severe one
beaches
there.
at 4:07 p.m. Friday, July
So there's
3rd.
like a low echo, like right northwest, and we kept getting some damaging winds from that. Oh my god, are you seriously? Again? Again? Are you serious? That was 2 times we had those main damaging wind gusts. Are you serious? That's crazy. And this is gonna happen tomorrow too. Or it could. Let's look at the sky. The sky is dark. But there's something. Oh, here we go again. Over here. Beautiful though.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Mercer County in central New Jersey, northeastern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southern Monmouth County in central New Jersey, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 9:15 p.m. At 8:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mercerville, Hamilton Square, or over Trenton, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
That's
Strong
pretty
winds may
sick.
occur well ahead of any rain. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Toms River, Trenton, Asbury Park, Lakewood, Jackson, Howell, Houston Falls, Florence, Beechwood, Burlington,
We know,
Bristol,
this
Mena,
one.
Swan, Hightstown, Point Pleasant Beach, Bordentown, Seaside Heights, Lakehurst.
Dude, there's barely any precipitation for that.
Michael's Fair, and Middletown Celebration and fireworks should take safe shelter immediately. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exit 6 and 8A, Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 365
So once again,
and 359.
sure where the thunder
mile
is.
markers 37 and 40. Interstate 195 of New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 34. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 49 and 69. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 76 and 101. Interior room on the lowest floor of the building. In addition to damaging winds, frequent clouds and ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey.
So the storm, I think. Oh my God, is that? I hear like a police car.
Here is the official national
Oh my God, there's
service
close
forecast
lightning.
for the entire coastal
There's like
waters.
lightning over here,
At
down
4:07
there.
p.m., Friday, July 3rd. Tonight, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts.
I hear like a fire truck or something.
5 to 10 knots after midnight.
That's a weird place for there to be a lightning strike, man.
Wave detail, south breeze in 5 seconds and southeast 1 foot in 9 seconds. Scattered showers and thunderstorms early this evening. Then isolated showers and thunderstorms.
Or I thought that was lightning, I don't know.
Independence Day, west wind 5 to 10 knots.
Dude, is that why like I heard police cars or a fire truck or something?
Seas around 2 feet.
There's the thunder from that. It's rumbling
In 5
deep.
seconds and southeast 1 foot in 9
Boom,
seconds.
boom. And there's actually lightning like outside of the storm. So we could actually have lightning right over our heads right now. Oh God, that was close.
15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots.
Again, like where even is all this lightning, man?
Seas 2 to 3
This is that. I might go inside, you know.
South 2 feet at 5 seconds.
I didn't
and southeast
because
1 foot in 9 seconds. A chance
I mean,
of
it's true.
thunderstorms until
Like you
midnight.
always expect the damaging winds.
Showers.
You should always expect the damaging winds before the lightning hits.
Seas around 2 feet.
Now I'm afraid of the lightning.
Detail. South 1 foot at 5 seconds and southeast 1 foot at 9 seconds. A chance of showers in the afternoon.
That's
Sunday
crazy,
night,
man.
Southeast winds
I
5
can't
to 10
believe
knots.
it.
Seas around 2 feet.
And we lost
Detail.
power.
Southeast 2 feet at 4 seconds and southeast 1 foot at
There's
9
actually
seconds.
like, all right,
A
go.
chance of thunderstorms
The thunder
until
was like
midnight.
just rumbling.
Monday, east winds 5 to 10 knots, increasing to 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots in the afternoon.
Is that even a word?
Seas 2 to
Rumbling.
3 feet. Wave detail, southeast 2 feet at 4 seconds and southeast 1 foot at 9 seconds. A chance of
It
showers.
is a word.
Monday night, southeast winds 10 to 15 knots.
Or no, not. I think I phrased it wrong.
Showers likely with a chance of
So
thunderstorms.
there is a severe thunderstorm. If that storm was just a little further south, we would have those damn like 70-mile-an-hour winds, I think.
Showers likely, mainly in the morning. Tuesday night, east winds 10 to 15 knots, becoming northeast 5 to
Or
10
just
knots
something
after
crazy
midnight.
like that.
Seas around 3 feet. A chance of thunderstorms until midnight. A chance of showers.
Yeah, that's kind of
Wednesday,
insane, man.
northeast winds 5 to 10
What?
knots, becoming east in the afternoon. Seas.
I hear a fire truck. I'm sure there's power lines down somewhere. I'm gonna.
Seas around
I want to
3
go
feet
take a
until
look,
midnight.
but I can't do that right now.
Higher and heavier thunderstorms. Here is the official National Weather
So,
Service forecast
yeah.
for Upper Delaware Bay, issued at 4:07 p.m.
It's
Friday,
crazy,
July
like
3rd.
how
Tonight, west
how
winds around
bad
5 knots.
the storm
Winds
was.
1 foot or less.
I mean, we got 70 mile. It says 70 mile an hour windows, but those do not feel like
A chance
70
of
miles
showers
an hour,
and
man.
thunderstorms early this evening. Then a
My
slight
thing
chance of
still
showers
says
and
we're under
thunderstorms
that
until
severe
midnight.
thunderstorm warning for 70 mile an hour windows.
West wind 5 to 10
Thunder
knots.
is just like
Waves 1 foot or less.
rumbling,
Wave detail. Southeast 1 foot at 4 seconds.
rumbling, like
A slight chance
deep,
of showers and
loud. It's not
thunderstorms
like
in the afternoon.
uh,
Saturday night.
crack.
Southwest winds 5 to
Why
10
is
knots.
all the lightning happening to the
Waves
southwest?
1 foot or less.
There's that's where
Detail. South 1 foot at 4 seconds.
that's where all the lightning is, man.
Showers and thunderstorms until midnight. Then a chance of showers after
Why is
midnight.
it there?
Sunday.
Hey, look, there's a blue sky right here.
Coming southeast in the afternoon. Waves 1 foot or less. Wave detail. Southeast 1
This
foot
is
at 4
weird as
seconds.
hell.
A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon.
This is definitely one of the weirdest storms we've had in a while.
Becoming east 5 to 10 knots after midnight. Waves around 2 feet until midnight.
Yeah, so
Then
I
1
don't
foot
know
wave detail. Southeast 1
if
foot at 3
I don't know if
A
we
chance of thunderstorms.
like why we got that warning for 70 mile an hour wind gusts here. I mean, if we were just further north, we probably would have gotten those
Severe thunderstorm warning warning remains in effect until 9 p.m.
70-mile-an-hour
Mercer,
gusts.
Southeastern Somerset, Northern Monmouth, and Middlesex counties. At 8:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Marlborough, or 14 miles south of Perth Amboy, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Wind damage has occurred with these storms. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings.
Are you serious?
Locations impacted include New Brunswick.
What actually just happened, man?
Asbury Park, Sandy Hook, Somerset, Middletown.
Now those wind gusts were not
Brunswick,
70, alright?
South Brunswick, Sayreville, North Brunswick, Marlborough, Manalapan, Hidden Falls, Holdall, Princeton, Red Bank, Kingsburg, Potomac, and Jamesburg.
Oh my god, there's like emergency vehicles. There's probably power lines down. That would explain why we lost power.
102 and 124. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Frequent cloud to ground lightning is occurring with this storm.
I think there's like a branch down somewhere.
Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Mercer, Middlesex, Monmouth, and Somerset. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Upper Delaware Bay, issued at 4:07 p.m., Friday, July 3rd. Tonight, west winds around 5 knots.
The dogs are.
Waves 1 foot or less.
So if we.
Wave detail, south 1 foot at 4 seconds. A chance of showers and thunderstorms early this evening. Then a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms
Three dogs,
until midnight.
get inside. I don't want you out here right now.
Winds 5 to 10 knots.
I want you out.
Waves 1 foot or less. Wave detail, southeast 1 foot at 4 seconds. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Saturday night, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming west after midnight.
Alright, dogs, go inside. Go inside.
Wave detail,
Go inside.
south 1 foot at 4 seconds.
Can't be
A
out here
chance of
when I
showers
say
and
yeah.
thunderstorms until midnight. Then a chance of showers.
Alright, so the
after
severe
midnight.
thunderstorm warning that was
Sunday,
for our area
south winds
should
around
have
5
expired
knots,
by now.
becoming southeast in the afternoon.
It did not say that it.
Waves 1 foot or less. Wave detail, southeast
Hold
1
on.
foot at 4 seconds. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Sunday night, southeast winds 10 to 15
No,
knots.
it,
East 5 to 10 knots after midnight. Waves around 2 feet until midnight. Then 1 foot
It
or
hasn't.
less.
It hasn't
Wave
expired.
detail,
That's
southeast
weird,
1
man.
foot at 3 seconds. A chance of thunderstorms. Showers likely until midnight. Then a chance of showers after midnight. Monday, east winds
Why?
5 to 10 knots, becoming southeast 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots in the afternoon. Waves 1 foot or less, then around 2 feet in the afternoon. Wave detail, southeast 1 foot at 3 seconds. A chance of showers in the morning, then showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Monday night, southeast winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots, diminishing to 5 to 10 knots.
Alright,
after
let me
midnight.
look at the.
Waves around 2 feet until midnight, then 1 foot or less. Showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms. Tuesday, north winds 5 to
The storms are less organized to their south, but there's more lightning there.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Ocean County in southern New Jersey, North Central Camden County in southern New Jersey, Burlington County in southern New Jersey, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mount Holly, or 14 miles south of Trenton, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible.
So basically all of central New Jersey was put under a severe thunderstorm
Medford, Barnegat, Lumberton,
right now.
Mount Holly, Tabernacle, Shimon.
Currently 8:32 p.m.
Pemberton, Fort Republic, Wrightstown, Ashen, Cherry Hill Hall, Monmouth, Leisure Town, Jacksonville, and Wharton State Forest. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 4 and 5. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 35 and 50.
That is just weird. Like there's heavier precipitation. I don't know, it looks like there should be a lot more lightning there. I don't know, man. For some reason all the lightning is to our south. And I'm pretty sure those emergency vehicles, I hear them because the power went out. I think this is where I hear all the thunder too. Yeah, I just saw lightning. See if we can get some on video here. Yeah, see, there's lightning all over the place here.
Tonight, west winds around 5 knots. Waves 1 foot or less. Wave detail, south 1 foot at 4 seconds. A chance of showers and thunderstorms early.
It's actually over here too, man. Like, somewhere there's probably strobe lightning.
Waves 1 foot or less. Wave detail, southeast 1 foot at 4 seconds. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon.
Yeah, there's lots of lightning over here. I did not really expect that. I was a surprise. Because these storms are not high precipitation storms. There's actually more higher reflectivity to our north. And I thought there would be more lightning there, but I guess I was wrong.
Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for southern New Jersey. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9 p.m. for north central county and north.
I was like, what was that? My baseball bat just fell down. Oh, there's like a lightning high up in the sky there.
For 16 miles east of Canton, moving east at 45 miles per hour.
Like it's not. There's definitely some CC lightning, cloud to cloud, not just cloud to ground lightning.
Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include
So cloud to cloud lightning is harmless if you're on the ground.
Burlington, Mount Holly, Ramseywood, Barclay, Kingston, Green Tree, Cherry Hill Hall, Markham, Middleton, Phillipsburg, Golden Triangle.
But if you are
Maple Shade, Richardsville, Morristown, Winona, and National Weather Service Office. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 4 and 5. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 34 and 48. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. We will send your report to the National Weather Service Office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive.
So there's a lot of lightning in this area. And it's cloud to cloud lightning. If it was nighttime right now, you could probably see like continuous lightning.
Thunderstorm warning for southeastern Bucks County is canceled. The severe thunderstorm which prompted the warning has moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for southern, central, and northern New Jersey and southeastern Pennsylvania. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Upper Delaware Bay, issued at 4:07 p.m. Friday, July 3rd. Tonight, west winds around 5 knots. Waves 1 foot or less. Wave detail, south 1 foot at 4 seconds. A chance of showers and thunderstorms early this evening. Then a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms until midnight. Independence Day, west wind 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot or less. Wave detail, southeast 1 foot at 4 seconds. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Saturday night, southwest wind 5 to 10 knots, becoming west after midnight. Waves 1 foot or less. Wave detail, south 1 foot at 4 seconds.
Wow, there's some epic lightning there.
Thunderstorms until midnight, then a chance of showers after midnight. Sunday, south winds around 5 knots, becoming southeast in the afternoon. Waves 1 foot or less.
I'm gonna make a new video.